Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and first off I'd like to wish you and all a great 2019 year. Today I'd like to have a bit of a look at the new Explorer, Rolex Explorer I bought in the 39mm size. Purchased it new in Australia a few weeks back. They retail for $82.50, a little bit in short supply, and therefore, you know, in those cases you put down a deposit, wait your turn till one comes in, and actually after a couple of weeks or so mine arrived in stock, and here it is. Now, just in case anyone's wondering what camera I'm using to shoot these images, it's a Sony RX10 Mark IV, so that's the current model at the moment, so it appears so far to be a pretty good camera for what I've used it for, different things. So this will be the first time I've tried anything on watch type macro photography, but we'll see how it turns out. While I'm at it, if anyone's after a Rolex or wants to put in an order for one, well, I've got excellent service from J. Farron Price in Sydney, and I think if you contact that store or something like that, you'll be treated extra well. I know I've been treated quite well with my purchase there, so that's something to think about. So if you're in Sydney, Australia, or anywhere in Australia and you want to pre-order a watch, you know, I'd buy from them again. So like, I was quite 100% happy, and I never got any discount or anything on the watch. It was recommended retail price of $82.50, and that's exactly what I paid. So but I can say I've got excellent service, and seeing I'm inland Australia, I even got free postage on the deal, so you know, can't complain about that either. The overall fit and finish of the watch is, I think, excellent. So you can see in close detail here what a quality item it is. So I think, looking at it that way, when you go out and buy something like this, you expect it to be a lot better than the average watch, and I think this one here delivers the goods. So that way I'm 100% happy with it. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. That ends me look at the unboxing of the new Rolex Explorer. Hope you filled in a little bit of your time, you enjoyed the look. So again, thanks for looking. although I must admit that even though the Explorer wasn't my first choice of watch, the first choice was really a Rolex Submariner, no date, once again in steel. The wait list is something like 12 months or something, and I figured I might as well go for a steel. I wouldn't say I purchased this sight unseen, so, and I hadn't seen a Explorer before. First impression of it, I wasn't really crash-hot or excited about it, but now about it a month, you know, it sort of grows on you, and you know, overall I think it's not a bad watch, but I think when you see I have actually handled a Submariner, and I think you know, that would be the way I'd go if I was buying one again, but if that was the case. But there, it's whether or not you want to wait 12 months to get an older one, and in my case I didn't want to wait. Here we'll do a couple of close-ups on the watch.